Hello and welcome to SalesEye. In this short demonstration, you are going to see how easy it is to see customers and products that aren't performing as well as they once were, and then utilize that information to generate sales calls all in one seamless process. In turn, this will demonstrate the 6 SalesEye pillars to success. The first 3 pillars will be shown within inquiries. What have our customers bought? What haven't they bought? And what should they be buying? However, knowing customer and product sales is only half the battle. Being on top of your sales game also means you're reinforcing the other 3 key pillars of SalesEye. Who have we spoken to? What did we speak to them about? And when will we speak to them next? This will be demonstrated within the CRM. Picture this. It's 4 PM on a Friday. I need to get something in my diary for Monday to drive meaningful interactions to customers. I want to focus on all customers in the Midlands not spending as much as they used to in our roofing category. If I head to inquiries and select variants, the bubbles on screen being pulled from our organisation's ERP should make it very easy for me to find what I need in less than 60 seconds. With my customer bubbles, I'm going to select View More, select Sales Territory, and then run the inquiry. Here I can now see how the organisation's territories were performing last year, how they are performing this year, and then the difference in sales between both financial years. Variance will always display data in its top falling value order, highlighting opportunities and focus points from the second the report is run. The variant report layout will remain the same as I continue to drill into my data. I will now tick the Midlands and select Next to reveal my bubbles again. From here, I am going to select Product Group Level 1, run the inquiry, and click the Sales Value column header to see my top rising product groups. Now, if I tick Roofing, select Next, select Name, and run the inquiry, I will instantly be shown the end result I wanted. On screen I can now see all customers in the Midlands not spending as much as they once were in the roofing product group. I now need to get these customers into my diary for Monday. All I need to do is select Generate Interactions from the bottom of this report, tick the customers from the report I want to reach out to, and select Generate. From here, I can schedule the date and time I want these interactions to start from, allocate them to myself, set the meeting type, how long I want the interactions to last, and how much time between the phone calls. At the end, I can leave a note on all the interactions reminding myself and anyone else who views the interactions in the future why these meetings were created. Upon logging in on Monday, I should have everything I need to work through my day with zero hassle. Here, I can see my meetings for the day and a small insight into my next customer interaction, telling me exactly how much this customer spends on each product group and how their competition stacks up beside them. A true visual representation of the 3 customer sales pillars. What have our customers bought? What haven't they bought? And what should they be buying? If all of this wasn't enough to streamline my day, for any of my face-to-face visits, I can bring along a full, comprehensive report known as the snapshot, or email it directly to the customer before our phone call. In just 3 simple clicks, 1, 2, 3, I have exported my next customer meeting snapshot and had it land in my notification center ready to download in seconds. Or minutes depending on your internet connection and the size of the report. Everything shown in this demonstration has been done in real time, showing you how quick and easy it is to use SalesEye effectively with just a few hours of practice. And that was only scratching the surface. From myself and everyone at SalesEye, we hope to see you selling smart in the platform soon.